Good morning. Today we are discussing about form factor. It is defined as the ratio of RMS value to the average value of alternating current or voltage. Form factor is equal to RMS value divided by average value. IRMS, that means RMS value is equal to Im divided by root 2, average value 2Im divided by 5. And then equation here the final value 1.11. Peak factor, it is defined as the ratio of maximum value of to the RMS value of alternating current or voltage. Peak factor is equal to maximum value divided by RMS value. That means Im divided by Im divided by root 2. Root 2 is equal to 1.414. Next, simple problem. The alternating current passing through a circuit is being I is equal to 141.4 sinusoidal 314.2 T. Calculate maximum value of current, RMS value of current, the frequency and the instantaneous value of the current when T is equal to 0.02 second. Instantaneous value I is equal to 141.4 sin 314. Given data, instantaneous value is equal to I is equal to 141.4 sin 314.2 T. To find the maximum value of current, second one RMS value of current, then third one frequency, then fourth one is the I when T is equal to 0.02 second. Maximum value Im is equal to 141.4. RMS value IRMS is equal to Im divided by root 2, that is equal to 141.4 divided by root 2. IRMS is equal to 100 amps. Angular of velocity omega is equal to 2 pi f. 314.2. Frequency f is equal to 314.2 divided by 2 pi. And frequency is equal to 50 Hz when T is equal to 0.2 second. Instantaneous value of current 141.4 sin 314 into 0.02. The instantaneous value of the resultant value 141 sin 330 I is equal to 0. Maximum value Im is equal to 141.4 amps. Frequency is equal to 50 Hz. RMS value IRMS is equal to 100 amps. Instantaneous value of current I is equal to 0. Next, RL circuits. Determine the impedance of RL series circuit with R is equal to 20 ohm and L is equal to 0.1 Henry. Then connected to the 230 volt 50 Hz supply. Given data, resistance R is equal to 20 ohm, circuits RL series, inductance L is equal to 0.1 Henry, frequency 50 Hz, voltage is equal to 230 volt, and inductive reactance XL, impedance Z. Here the circuit diagram. Supply voltage 230 volt, 50 Hz AC supply, and resistance 20 ohm and inductance 0.1 Henry. Here first we have to calculate the inductive reactance. Inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL. XL is equal to 2 into 314 into 50 into 0.1, that is equal to XL is equal to 31.42. Then impedance Z is equal to root of R squared plus XL squared. 20 squared plus 31.4 squared is equal to Z is equal to 37.24. Here impedance Z is equal to 20 plus 37.24 ohm. Inductive reactance XL is equal to 31.42 ohm. Impedance Z is equal to 37.24 ohm. Next, find the impedance, current, phase angle of the series circuit having a resistance of 10 ohm and the inductance of 10 millihenry The applied voltage is 200 volt. Then given data, RL series resistance R is equal to 10 ohm, inductance 10 millihenry into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3, then frequency is equal to 50 hertz, voltage is equal to 200 volt. Impedance is set to find the value, impedance, current and phase angle. In this series circuit, 10 ohm, 10 millihenry. Here to the 200 volt, 50 hertz. Inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL, 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here XL is equal to 3.14, then impedance is equal to root of R squared plus XL squared, then 10 squared plus 3.14 squared, impedance is equal to 10.48. Current I is equal to V by Z, that means I is equal to 200 divided by 10.48, I is equal to 19.08 amps. Then cos theta is equal to R divided by Z. 10 divided by 10.48, that is equal to 0.954 lag. Then theta is equal to cos inverse 17.44 angle. And the next, a voltage of 125 volt at 60 hertz is applied across non-inductive resistor connected in series with the inductance. The current 2.2 amps, the power loss in the resistor 96.8 watts, and that inductor is negligible. Calculate the resistance and inductance. Given data, circuit RL series, voltage 125, frequency 60 hertz, current 2.2 amps, power loss 96.8 watts, then resistance R, then inductance L. Here power is equal to I squared into R. Resistance R is equal to P divided by I squared. Here 96.8 divided by 2.2 whole squared, that is equal to 20 ohm. Then power is equal to, in AC circuit, V into I cos theta. Then cos theta is equal to P divided by V. 96.8 divided by 125.2, that is equal to 0.352. Then theta is equal to 69.3 lag. Then inductance is equal to, and then impedance is equal to V divided by I, is equal to 125 divided by 2.2, 56.8 ohm. Here sin theta XL divided by Z. XL is equal to sin theta into Z. Here XL is equal to 53.16 ohm. Thank you.